Do you need to do a home inspection? Buying a home is one of the biggest investments you'll make in your lifetime. With so many steps in the home buying process, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. However, there is one step that stands out as the most crucial: the home inspection. Once you've made an offer on a house, you may think you know everything there is to know about the property, but that's not always the case. That's where a professional home inspection comes in. A home inspection provides much-needed reassurance to home buyers by revealing all potential issues before closing. Home inspections are non-invasive visual examinations of a home's physical structure and systems. They're designed to uncover any hidden issues that could be costly or even dangerous if left unaddressed. If an inspection does reveal some issues, you have the opportunity to negotiate with the seller to lower the price or request repairs before closing. Want to know more? Let Mortgage Dove be the wings that help you fly home.